Welcome to my case journey of learning how to cook and bake. So guys, today we're going to do some baking with the help of my mom. So first, let me put on my apron so we can get this started. So guys, I'm going to try and put this on myself. Yay, I did it! So guys, I got my apron on, so come and I'll show you my ingredients. So first of all guys, I've got my flour, I've got my spoon, and let me show you my other ingredients. I've got butter, of course you need butter. Got some eggs, yes, got some eggs.
You have frozen milk. Oh.
It says I've got condensed milk. I've got some custard, and I've got some baking powder. I've got some caramel flavor to give it extra flavor. So first, guys, we're gonna make a hole in the flour. Gently we make a hole. Done. Yes, like that. Ooh. I almost forgot the banana that was in the fridge. So guys, I'm going to put my baking powder in there. So we cover our baking powder properly in case it falls, you know. And make it. Then you put it at the right place when you picked it up. We've got our butter in the bowl ready. So we're going to put our condensed milk in the cup. And second, we're going to put our custard in.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, that's a bit too much. Yeah. Next, we're going to put eggs in. So, juice. Yeah. Now we're going to mix this together.
Gently and slowly.
Gently and slowly. See?
Everything have to do a little bit faster, I think.
Can you make it from it? Yeah. This looks good. Yep. Okay. Next, we're gonna add our blended banana in.
Not all of it.
Oh, is that enough?
I think that should be enough.
It isn't enough. Oh! Now we're gonna mix it again with the blended banana.
Slowly.
And slowly. Guys, I forgot to tell what we're making. We're making our specialty and really good kind of donuts. Next, we're gonna mix the flour and butter together. Oops, oh yes. Okay. And now you can't really see the butter. It's in there. It's just that I'm mixing it a lot. Oh, it's a good thing I'm wearing an apron.
Yeah.
Next, I'm gonna put some yeast in, which is this. And I'm gonna put my spoon and get a little bit, just a little bit.
It's too much, I think.
This amount here.
Let's sprinkle.
And sprinkle it everywhere. Just a little bit more.
Taylor. Is
And
that not too much? Yeah, that's okay.
Yes. Then we cover it nicely. Then we put it back where it was. And now we stir it.
Slowly and gently.
Slowly and gently. This is peaceful.
How is it peaceful?
Good. This is peaceful. And Mommy's helping me mix it a bit more. Then we're gonna put the vanilla. We're gonna put some of this caramel flavor into our mixture to give it some flavor. So yeah.
Not too much. I think.
And we're gonna stir it. This is gonna be good.
Slowly. That's enough.
It looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. We're gonna put the mixture into our flour. Yay! So I'm just
Gently 2 hands.
gently with 2 hands. Or
The middle.
look at that.
Pour everything.
I'm pouring everything
Okay.
in.
That's enough.
It's like a hard look, cause like, And now we're gonna mix it gently and slowly.
Start mixing it like middle part. Good. Press your hands down. Make sure the spoon touches the bottom of the bowl. Put all your strength on there.
Oh my strength!
Yeah.
What? Look at that. Looks
You
so.
need to hurry up. Yeah. Mix everything like that together. Good. Very good. All your strength. Press it down.
This looks like. This kind of looks like if you're making slime, you kind of like, you know, have to press down on stuff.
Yeah, it actually looks like a slime. Good girl. Oh. Pull your muscles.
Kind of look like slime.
You tired already?
Not that much. This is that.
You cannot be tired, my friend.
Kind of looks like porridge.
It doesn't look like porridge.
So look, guys, it's a bit rainy out there. If you can't see, but it is a bit rainy. See? This is my beautiful plan. We're done mixing it. We're gonna get the oil, then we're gonna fry them, and we'll let you see what they look like at the end. First tip. So guys, never go near oil without supervision. Always listen to your grown-ups. So hey guys, this is how it's looking now. What? Like I said, never go near hot stuff. So my mom is helping me put these in the oven. It looks like scones. Look at that. Wow, it's amazing.
It's looking amazing.
It's looking amazing here. It's like scones.
It does, yeah.
We just made scones.
I think so, we did. Well, you did.
So guys, it's ready. My mom is gonna help me take it out because it's really hot. This is how it's looking. These are the ones we fried. These are the ones
We baked.
we baked. They look like scones. Thank you guys for baking with me today. I hope you share this recipe with your friends and family. Bye.